Good morning, friends. Welcome to Atlas eForex. This is your video technical analysis today, the 14th of July 2010 at 6:45 GMT for a 15-minute chart. Well, no problem. We came to the top, almost to the top of the channel. You may visit our previous videos referring to the same pair, and you will find how this channel guided the parity until now. Forecast. Let's go further up. We're going to make the forecast. 60-minute chart. 1618 of the Fibonacci. We remember a third wave, maybe a third of a third. You see, if this 1618 Fibonacci becomes a resistance and then is a support, and then we start moving higher, the theory about the third of the third wave on the Elliott theory, and we mentioned what are the properties of a third of a third. Let's go on. Well, actually, we're coming also close to the top trend line of the blue ascending channel. Well, on the daily, it's very similar to the yesterday. We cannot see much. Same thing on the weekly, but the weekly, you remember yesterday was lower here, broke this famous Andrews pitchfork. We continue. So we are aiming 128.28. We should, yes, second resistance. Let's move on. GBP USD. We have forecasted 153. This side move on the 30-minute chart, this side move is not very encouraging for the development. Nevertheless, we have to watch this 50 moving average crossing the 200. Let's go up. 60 minutes. Doesn't talk to us. Yes, drop. Then the CPI yesterday helped it one day. Nothing yet, nothing that can justify, a forecast that could be achievable, could be reliable. 153. We stay with 153. That was the weekly chart on GBP USD. USD Swiss franc. Hey, the Fibonacci lines that we were talking a few days back continue to play the boundaries for the move of the USD CHF, the Swiss franc. This is the 5-minute chart, very nice. Okay, the 50 moving average crossed the 200, but that's a very short projection. 60-minute chart, there is a formation of a channel. There is a possibility of one, two move on a third wave. We're going to see. Let's not forget this channel. It looks away, but it still can influence. Let's go further up. 1 minute, similar to yesterday, around the 200 moving average on the daily, and the weekly, same like yesterday, nothing more to say. Dollar yen, 168 Fibonacci, second time on 15-minute chart. The moving average crossing from below, out of this channel that was created when we designed it yesterday. Next target's 1982 Fibonacci, 89.56. If we continue, 90. Let's see it higher. Here we go. This is the move. This is the move. This is the retracement of the Fibonacci. As you can see, yeah, right, it is upside down the Fibonacci, no problem. It's going to be on the 50. It's going to be on the 50 level pretty soon. 89.74 can be, if the 50 is supersede the 89.74 could be the target. 1 week, nothing to say. Euro sterling. All right, this is a channel, this is a trend line coming from below. This 50 already crossed 30 minutes. Let's see the 60 minutes. The 60 minutes, you see, we are, that's the previous line. You remember we had this line here, actually is the same line here. That's how it comes. We have the retracement. Here should be the 0.25. The 0.38 should be the next target if this correction continues, and we shall see what happens with this. Is it still the reaction, the wave A or the wave 1, or we already started a correction of this rebound? We will see it. That was on the 60 minutes, the daily chart. The daily chart as yesterday, the 50 moving average is a problem. The weekly doesn't give us much difference. Euro yen, wow, euro yesterday was strong. We came to the top level. We went above the 425, which was what, 112. Let's see it on the 60 minutes. Wow, we designed the trend line for days now. You can check it from the previous videos. We just hit it right on the nose. Fantastic. 425, return to 2618, going up. From here it goes to the next level, the 685 level of this Fibonacci. The Fibonacci started here. This is, as we said in earlier videos, this is so-called the minimum swing. Sometimes it gets also the level 11.35 of Fibonacci, so let us be careful. One day, yeah, we went above the 50 moving average. We may continue. Eventually the road shows free, no obstacles. Weekly, let's go back to Dow Jones. The 5-minute chart and the 50 moving average, they're beautiful. Yesterday we're here, then up again, nice. 60 minutes above the 0.78 or there. Now if we pass it, it means we're going to exceed this 1,600. If we crack here, different story. We should find a place to get energy to go higher. If we do it now, it means that this reaction, this rebound did not stop yet. That was what, 60 minutes. This is 1 day. Yes, that's the point to watch. Weekly, similar like yesterday, of course, the increase. Thank you guys. Bye bye now.